Hi friends, today we will see how to run our first deep learning model in 6 minutes. So I am using PyCharm editor, Python version 3.5.2, and in PyCharm editor, in going file setting, and by clicking on the plus sign, we can install different needed package to implement the deep learning. So first of all, we need to import pandas. We need to import pandas to work on the dataset. Then I have also installed numpy. Keras is very important to run deep learning applications, and I am using importing keras, and I am also using optimizer. I am using layers, that is artificial neural network is the part of keras implementation. Optimizers are the part of keras package. So I am using stochastic gradient descent optimizer. Optimizer is basically to help to understand the learning rate of the neural network. It is to simulate the same dataset again and again. We are using random operation. Dataframe is used with the help of pandas package. PD is the alias of pandas. We are splitting our data into test data and training data. So also we are splitting our data in x variable and y variable. Y variable is the class variable and x variable is the rest of the columns in the dataset. So x is equal to, irrespective of the row, we are simply placing column here. 0 to 10 row, first 0 to 10 row will be treated as x data, and 10th column will be treated as y data. So we need to create the model, compile the model and fit the model. So we are using sequential model, and we are using dense layer of the neural network. 64 is the number of neurons here, and input dimension or input data is 10, so we have given here 10. Activation function is basically allow any value from one node to another node, so we are using relu activation function. And in last layer, model.add dense 1, so last layer, output layer is 1, so we have placed 1. And in last layer we are using activation function as a sigmoid. It is best in the by classification sort of problem. So compiling the model, epochs are nothing, it tells us how many times we want to simulate our data. Learning rate is basically helps to changing the value of the neurons, and this is the syntax of using the optimizer. Optimizer helps to change in the values of the learning rate so that different weights are assigned to different neurons at each run. So we are compiling the model by giving the loss function, optimizer and matrix. We want to get the accuracy, so accuracy matrix has been used. Model.fit, we have given x value and y value based on x and y value that we have earlier assigned to different columns. It will run. 33% is the split, that means 33% data will be used as a test data, the rest will be used as a training data. Batch size is 28, that means 28 rows will run at one go. So this way we will get printed loss value and accuracy value in the last two lines. So we are running our model. I will put the code in the description. It's a pretty simple model, you can see. So loss function is here. Accuracy we got 61.66%. As we have used a single hidden layer and one output layer, we want to make it multi-layer model, so we can do it. Simply I am using one layer again with the same 64 neurons. Input dimension is the same, and I am running the model. Earlier I got the accuracy with 61%, let's see. Yeah, after adding one more hidden layer, I am getting accuracy 69%. So after adding one more hidden layer and making it a multi-layer model, the performance of the data model has been increased sufficiently. So I am repeating it with one more hidden layer after adding one more hidden layer. So I want to check whether there will be any difference in the accuracy or not. No, almost I am getting the same accuracy, 69%. So after adding this hidden layer, there is no worth for extra computation, so I am removing this. So by using different optimizers, by using different activation function, by using different loss function, we can increase the accuracy of our model sufficiently in this way. Yeah, so thank you.